Guys, this is what I've got. This is for the barbecue. I've got some dry wood there. I bought this grill today, which it goes on there nicely. I have also, I'll take that out there, don't need that in there. Put that in there, and I have a kettle here. You know, you've seen this kettle in some of my videos if you watch my older ones. So that will just sit there once that fire is up and running, and at least I can have a nice cup of tea, which I am going to have. Get this up and running and see how it goes and bring it back. I had left this cup here, which is hidden, so I'm glad I brought that because I forgot my own cup. So I'll get this up and running. So this is what I wanted to test. So that's the grill. I'll get the grill right on there. Hopefully that works well. Hopefully that just... I'm sitting on a plastic bag. To put more wood in, I brought this along. But at the moment it's really good.